Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be answering your questions. I asked you guys over on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, to ask me questions on this picture, which that picture was actually taken last year when I went to my friend's college prom. It was so much fun, and I'm so excited because they're having another one this year that I got invited to, and I need to start thinking about dresses and makeup. And are you guys going to prom? Because should I do videos on it? I'd love to talk about it with you guys, so be sure to leave a comment. We can talk about it in the comments because I do respond to every single one, and I'm just so excited about that. But that is not what this video is about. So I asked you guys to ask me questions, and we're gonna answer some. I know a lot of you guys are new to my channel. I just thought this would be a fun way for you guys to get to know me, and I honestly think these videos are so fun to film because I feel like I get to share a little bit more with you guys and answer your questions. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get updated the next time I upload my newest video. But we're just gonna open up Instagram and see what you guys asked and answer your questions, and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. If you have any other questions, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I try my best to respond to every single one of you. And you guys seriously asked so many fun questions. You guys are awesome, so thank you so much. The first question is, because pink is your favorite color, what is your second favorite color? This is such a good question. I feel like I've never answered this before either. So you guys know I'm obsessed with pink, and if you guys don't know, that is my favorite color, and I have a 45 days of pink challenge going on where I wear pink for 45 days. Don't worry, I still have it on. I have my Lilly Pulitzer leggings on, so it's a lot of pink. It just doesn't look like it with the blue top, but didn't want to go too crazy today. So my second favorite color is yellow. It's so cheery, so happy, and it just makes me smile every time I see something that's yellow. I feel like it's just one of those really obnoxious bright colors, and it just makes me smile every time, and I absolutely love it. The second question is, out of your entire wardrobe, what is your favorite preppy item? And I did pull it out of my closet before I filmed this video. It is this J. Crew sequin top. I literally try to wear this as much as I can. If there's an excuse to wear it, I'm wearing it. It's so fun, and it's so shiny, and it's so sparkly. I'm obsessed with sequins and sparkles. Aside from YouTube, what's your favorite thing to do? Now this is a really good question if you guys don't know me, because I love doing YouTube. I think it's so much fun. I love being able to share my fashion with you guys, but I really love the behind the scenes of YouTube as well, filming and editing, because I did that in school for a while, and it's just really enjoyable, and I like learning all the little tips and tricks with it. Besides fashion and editing and YouTube and everything, I absolutely love reading. At the beginning of the year, I told myself I was going to read at least 3 books a month, and I did 2 books a month last year, and I've already read 5 books this month, and it's just the beginning of the year. I'm just a fast reader, but I really like reading, and especially when I find books that I like, which is really funny because I had a few people ask for my favorite book and book recommendations, which I'm actually going to do a whole blog post on my blog, which is listed down below. But my favorite book at the moment is called Steal Like an Artist. It is so good. I will have it listed down below. It's a short little book. I read it in 2 hours, and it just inspired me so much. And the author, Austin Keelan, I think that's how you say his last name, I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but he has a whole series of books, and I definitely recommend reading every single one. They're so inspiring, and especially if you are a content creator, because he talks about how to share your work, how to create work, how to stay inspired. Love it. My favorite at the moment. I can't stop reading them. So the next question is, what is your go-to preppy outfit for each season? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. I feel like I always get so excited about each season when it's the next season. My go-to spring outfit is ideally fun skirt, a bright, colorful, pastel-y skirt, and maybe a nice lightweight sweater so it's not too hot but not too cold. Maybe a little short sleeve polo underneath the sweater, and a pair of flats or sandals if it's warm enough. I feel like that's super cute and fun and preppy. And then for summer, my ideal outfit would definitely be a pair of chino shorts and a fun colorful tank top, maybe a halter top or a polo t-shirt with some flip-flops. I literally will wear Jack Rogers every single day in the summer. My go-to fall outfit is definitely a pair of jeans, some boots, probably my LL Bean boots or riding boots with a flannel with a sweater on top, and then a cute scarf for a cardigan. I feel like that would be so adorable. And then my go-to winter outfit currently is a pair of jeans, and I like to layer up because it gets so cold. So I'll low-key wear a turtleneck and then a sweater on top of the turtleneck, and then of course my winter coat, and I like wearing a scarf and a big beanie, and definitely wool socks and some snowshoes because it is so cold and your girl likes to stay super warm. So those are my go-to outfits. That was a really fun question because I love coming up with different outfits. My favorite iPhone app. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. So I feel like the app that I spend the most time on is definitely Instagram, but I feel like that's like so basic. So we're gonna give some fun apps to go to. I downloaded this app called Wordscapes, and I don't know, it's really weird, but I like it. And it's like a word game. Like, oh, I got my daily prize right now, you guys. I haven't played all day. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I feel like this is super nerdy too, but so it gives you like some letters down here, and then there's like a word problem up here, and you have to like take the word, like you have to like spell stuff out by connecting the letters, and it's just really fun. I don't know, I really don't like word problems and stuff like that, but it's super entertaining. And then another app that I've been loving, VSCO or Visco, I'm not really sure. I like following a bunch of people and like getting picture inspiration off of that. So I love those two apps, so those are really fun. The next question is favorite movie, and I feel like it's so hard to pick a favorite movie because like I have favorites for each little like category of movies, like romantic comedies, like comedies, action, you know, like all those things. But I did just recently watch I Feel Pretty, and oh my goodness, I was laughing so hard at that movie. So that is probably my current favorite on that one. Those kind of change. The next question is, what is your favorite food? And oh my goodness, you guys, I could live off a Kraft mac and cheese, like the blue box of mac and cheese. It's so good. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. The next question is, what are some ways you could style a school uniform to make it your own? This is so fun. So I would definitely say like a fun pair of shoes could definitely spice it up. And if you have like restrictions on shoes, you could do like fun little socks that stick out, because I know there's so many different types of socks. That's not as exciting. You could do like arm candy, like if you're allowed to wear like jewelry and stuff, definitely fun arm candy and necklaces and earrings. And also like you could wear accessories in your hair with like headbands, bows, different clips, like learn how to do fun braids and everything and just kind of stand out that way. But honestly, it's all about confidence in your personality. That's what's gonna stand out the most, but definitely those little things can help make any outfit pop. What is your favorite style monogram? Now this is a really good question because it used to always be like the circle monogram, and I think those are so classy looking, but I recently really started to like those. I think they're called like the vine ones. They're like the curly ones where they interlace. I will put mine right here so you can see what I'm talking about. I think they're so pretty, and I just love getting those on clothes, and I have it above my bed, and it's just so like pretty and like timeless looking to me. The next question is, at the moment, what is your latest obsession? And I recently watched the series called Baby on Netflix, and it's a Netflix original, and it was really good. I definitely liked it. It was like very different, but the soundtrack to that TV show is amazing. I can't stop listening to it. I don't even think the full thing's in English. I think it's like Italian maybe, but oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm following it on my Spotify, which is just that Kelly 2 Wise Tomlinson, if you guys want to check it out. I'm obsessed. I can't stop listening to it. It's so good. Favorite pink item that you own? This is so fun. I do own a lot of pink clothes. I absolutely love pink. And of course I'm going to do a pink clothing piece. So my favorite pink clothing piece is my Lilly Pulitzer dress. I wore this to my senior prom and it was so much fun, and I just love this dress. It has so many special memories and I just think it's so gorgeous and I can't get rid of it. I wear it as much as I can, and that is definitely my favorite pink item. Have you ever considered creating your own Preppy brand? Oh my gosh, you guys. I feel like that is so much work, but hard work definitely pays off. I haven't really thought too much about it just because I've been building up Kellyprepster. Like I have my own Etsy shop and everything, so I don't know if that really counts. But I mean, I guess Kellyprepster is a brand, but if you're thinking like clothing brand, currently, no, but it's like something I would like to do in the future. I feel like that would be a lot of fun. Favorite vacation spot? Anywhere that's on the beach. I absolutely love going to the beach, somewhere where it's super sunny and warm. I love it. I definitely stay on East Coast more than West Coast, but I'm not opposed to either one. Last question that I'm going to answer is, what is your favorite animal and do you have any pets? And this is really cute. So I do not have any pets. I did have a goldfish once, but that didn't really last that long, so that was kind of sad. But my favorite animal is probably like a monkey or a penguin. I think they're both really cute, and like when I was little, my dad would always get me little monkey stuffed animals, and it was so cute. But when I go to the zoo and stuff, I love the penguins. I think they're so cool and like cute and adorable, and I love penguin movies. But I hope that answers a lot of your questions, and hopefully you guys feel like you know me a little bit more or know some new things about me. Thank you so much for asking me questions. You guys are seriously so amazing. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below if we have anything in common, or if you have any other questions, because I'd love to answer them. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!